Hello from AlphaCars in Boxborough, Massachusetts. We have here for your consideration 1987 Mercedes SL 560. This is a great offering. It's a great value, and the car has a very transparent and amazing history, including an impressive service history, which we have all documents for. Please contact us for details regarding service history and the mechanical condition of this vehicle, which, as I said, is in very, very good condition. With this video, we're going to show you cosmetic aspects of this vehicle, which is equally impressive. We'll start from the front of the vehicle and walk around the vehicle, then take a peek at the interior, engine compartment, and of course we will run the engine. So let's take a quick look as we just walk around it, and then we will get through the details. This car had a complete refinish job that was done many years ago, and it was a spectacular job because after all these years there's absolutely no rust. This was more of a truly refinished, not a restoration job. The car did not have any rust. The repair was done to enhance cosmetic condition, and it was properly done. There's absolutely no runs or overspray. If you look at this car, you would think it's original paint. It's done absolutely impeccable. There's a reason I get into details and show you how some of these things look, because, as I said, it was a complete disassemble, prep, and refinish done on this vehicle. We had to use a paint meter tool to really believe that this was a paint job done, because when we were initially looking at it and the owner of the vehicle said that her father had this car refinished, we really could not believe it. But yes, we did use a paint meter tool, and we can see that this has paint work. Spectacular job. We'll take a look at the roof. We have pictures of the car on our website with the listing that show it with the soft top, which is in very good condition, and with the soft top down, which looks absolutely awesome. I'm gonna enter interior from the passenger side. Passenger seat is in very good condition, given the age. There are no rips. There's normal, you can see some wear on the seat surface. Driver's seat has no tears or wear through, and again, this one has a true leather interior. This is not MB-Tech, so you do see dye wearing off in some areas, but there's absolutely no open in the leather. This seat can be certainly refinished and re-dyed, something we can do at AlphaCars. As far as the condition of door trim, it's in excellent condition on the driver's side. Dash is in very good condition. There are a couple of really minor cracks you can see here and here. Overall, dash is nice and tight. All original pieces of wood right here look very nice. There are no cracks. Center console is very nice. There's a little crack. I can barely see it. Yeah, right below. Yeah, right there, just below the recirculation switch. And then the shifter panel has typical age-related surface cracking in the clear coat. The car drives and shifts very, very nice. Brake work very nice. Again, contact us for details about the mechanical condition, which is very impressive. There was a lot of money invested over the years and recently to maintain this car. Yeah, this panel has no cracks right here. It's nice. There's no cracking on this part of the dash. Looks very nice. Armrest, again, the leather is very solid, and it's just a matter of dye not wearing off, and as you can see right here, it can be easily re-dyed we do that service. The back compartment carpet is in great condition. There's a spot in the back which certainly need to be cleaned up or re-dyed. Other than that, the back looks real nice. The fit and finish on this car is in great shape. You can see it hasn't been in the accidents, so everything is nice and tight. We're gonna pop the hood and take a peek at the engine compartment. Well, while we're still on the outside, it has Mercedes factory chrome rims. The chrome is in very good condition. There are some areas where the brake dust is seated deeply and will need some nice polishing. Other than that, the rims are nice and straight, and there's no major chrome peeling anywhere. It looks very nice. Front bumper chrome is in excellent condition. All the rubber pieces line up beautifully. Headlamp, grille, everything is in great shape. We're looking at the right front wheel. It's in very good condition. Again, as I said, overall, when you look at the car, it presents itself very, very well. When you look at the rims closely, where usually brake dust accumulates, it does need some additional work. All the moldings line up. They're not popping out. They're not delaminating. And here's the last rim right here. The underbody of this car is super impressive. There's a car cover. There's a stand that goes with this hardtop. Windbreaker. Everything comes with it. I'll try to peek at the rear of the vehicle so you can see. There are no oil leaks. It's nice and dry. Again, we have service records for all the work that was done, which is very impressive. Tires are in good shape. There is absolutely no rust in any of the typical places. It all looks nice and tight and original. As you can see from here, anyone that knows these cars and looking at this video now, you would certainly appreciate the condition of this car. Very solid body and very good mechanical. Nice and dry underneath. And let's take a peek at the engine compartment. Okay. Classic Mercedes V8. That's a 5.6 liter. Mechanical, super reliable fuel injection. A lot of service and maintenance updates on this engine over the years, including a very recent one. Runs very nice and powerful. We'll start the engine up. Comes with 2 keys. Starts right up. Runs maybe a little high on idle. No, it was relatively cold engine, but it actually idles nicely. You can see a new master cylinder right there. Definitely a great running engine. Transmission shifts beautiful. I actually had it on the road last weekend. Steering wheel is in great shape. Headliner in excellent condition. So yes, absolutely, give it a shot. Check it out on our website. See if it is still available. And if it is, give us a call. We'll answer your questions. We handle transportation, door-to-door transportation in US or anywhere in pretty much throughout the world. We can transport the vehicle. We've done it pretty much all continents. So thank you so much for spending your time with us with AlphaCars in Boxborough, Massachusetts.